Hunnies, this is your girl Charisma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, don't forget that you have to subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't skip ads. Today we're doing a short quick hair review installment. This hair, it's hair by me. It's actually an old wig that I bought a year ago, and I was like, before I get into this hair journey, let me learn how to install a wig, you get. So I was like, let me cut it short, excuse me, sorry, make it a bob wig so that I can be able to manage it, and this worked out. So I got a wig cap for myself, and then I washed the hair, I straightened the hair. The hair looked healthy. So here I just went in generously with the Gatsby glue because I don't want this hair permanent in my hair. Otherwise I would have used a ghost bond glue. Otherwise I decided to use a Gatsby glue because it's just for the event, and then the wig is off my hair chile. Otherwise, before I laid the hair into my hair, I had already finished the job, like straightening the hair. I just had to install it, and then it's laid, and then I brush the hair and then go in with the mousse, and then we are done for the day. Otherwise guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and let me know in the comment section if you like the hair vendors videos. Like, should I bring more hair reviews to the channel? If you really like this video, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, before I forget, before I say bye, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. There's a giveaway going on there. Follow me, be a subscriber, and stand a chance to win a 1,000 rand in cash prizes. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. I really enjoyed my birthday. I looked like a luxury. I looked like a babe. Thank you so much, guys. And here I'm just making sure that my scalp, it's cleared. Like, you get, if you know the story, you know the story. If you know, you know. Thank you so much, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, please share it, comment and like. Okay, bye.